Guys, we got a 2009 Forester. We kind of pulled the hood off it before we could take pictures of it. The damage here in the door, motor's still good, fans, turbo, the interior of the thing is trapped. Dog lived in it. It's got pretty good low miles though. I think 20,000. Stereo probably works. Hey, what do you know? Yeah, stereo works, all the AC stuff works, and it's 1 o'clock. Cheers. Passenger seat's alright, leather, looks like the door's hammered. Someone stole the gasoline out of it already. Back seats are good, and there's trashed on one side. Tailgate good. It's a nice clean white tailgate. Opens up. Look at all the dog hair in here. Disgusting. Got spare tires complete. It's a good parts car. And then you got this whole side. Those are pretty. You got some wheels, got some on. And then here's the color code. 30J. It's white. You can for the thing, and it's got a sunroof. You parts the car. Give us the power mirrors. They have it sitting on the